In this video, you will learn how to query multiple data layers on a map using selection tools. The query tools allow you to learn more about specific areas in your field by selecting the areas and viewing data about only those points in a report format. To begin, open SMS. Create a map of all layers you would like to include in the query. Click Select Type icon in the map toolbar. Choose one of the select type options of your choosing. Using the selection tool, make a selection on the active map layer. Once the selection is made, go to the map toolbar and select to query layers. Then click Query through current layer or Query multiple layers. A numbered query result will now be displayed at the bottom of the map window, displaying the average, total, minimum, and maximum values of the attribute you are viewing in the map, and the area of the selected points. These results can be printed by clicking Print on the Query Results page. Click the Reset Cursor icon in the Map toolbar, or select a different tool to clear any selections and deactivate the selection tool. You can clear Query Result by clicking the Clear Query Results button. You have now learned how to query multiple data layers on a map using selection tools. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.